Good day, everyone. Today, on our business tips, we'll be discussing leadership skills in business. Firstly, what is leadership? Leadership is the action of leading a group of people or an organization or the state or position of being a leader. Leadership is both a research area and a practical skill encompassing the ability of an individual or organization to lead or guide other individuals, teams, or entire organizations. The aspects of our lives that determine the pace at which our businesses grows is the amount of leadership skills we have acquired. It should be noted that most industries and companies who went into liquidation or ceased to exist came to be as a result of bad leadership. For your business to survive in all seasons and weathers, there is a need for a great level of energy by a committed leader to drive it forward. Business only thrives when equal energy and skill is inputted into it. If you want your business to succeed, you must be able to make the sacrifice both physically and spiritually. There is an enormous demand for us as kingdom people to significantly prosper in whatever we find our hand doing. It is required of us to raise a banner of right doing, that is righteousness, wherever we find ourselves. In your business, you must be known for doing right, for doing it right, when to do it, how to do it, where to do it. The ability to be able to handle either your business or someone else and do it well is required of us as kingdom people. If we cannot be trusted with simple deals in the natural, how much more of spiritual responsibility can we be trusted with? Leadership skills are needed for us to be able to function well in all of our various fields. What are leadership skills? Leadership skills are skills you use when organizing other people to reach a shared goal. Whether you are in a management position or leading a project, leadership skills requires you to motivate others to complete a series of tasks, often according to a schedule. Now, leadership is not just one skill, but rather a combination of several different skills working together. Here are needed leadership skills. Number 1, decisiveness. Effective leaders are those who can make decisions quickly with the information they have. There is a great need for you to be able to make decisions accurately with the given space of time. Effective decision making comes with time and experience. As you become more familiar with your specific industry, you will be able to make decisions faster, even when you don't have all of the necessary information. Number 2, integrity. Integrity is often seen as just truthfulness or honesty, but in many cases, it also means having and standing by a set of strong values. Integrity in the workplace often means being able to make ethical choices and helping the company maintain a positive image. All businesses seek to hire workers who have strong sense of integrity. In your business, be known to be truthful and sincere. It helps people to believe more in you and also commit more responsibility or trust to you. 3, relationship building or team building. Leadership requires the ability to build and maintain a strong, collaborative team of individuals working towards the same goal. Team building requires other leadership strengths like effective communication skills and conflict resolution. there is a great need for you to be able to communicate effectively and accurately to your team members. Build relationships around people in your line of work, especially those who are knowledgeable and of age in your work sphere. Also, build relationships with your customers. 4. Problem solving. Good leaders are skilled at problem solving issues that arises on the job. Effective problem solving often requires staying calm and identifying a step-by-step solution. Problem solving skills can help you make quick decisions, resolve obstacles with your team and external teams alike, and ensure projects are completed on time according to the specifications. Number 5, dependability. Being a dependable leader means that people can trust and rely on you. A dependable person follows through on plans and keeps promises. The strong relationship built by a dependable leader creates a resilient team that is able to work through difficulties that may arise. It also creates committed customers who can entrust you with more sensitive jobs. Lastly, ability to teach and mentor. One skill that differentiates leadership from many other skills is the ability to teach and mentor. Effectively teaching colleagues or mentoring to grow in their careers help organizations scale. Often, these skills require that leaders think less about themselves and more about how to make their team as a whole successful. You must be able to pass on your knowledge and ideas to raise many after you who could build on your legacy after you are gone. Most successful business owners who died and had their business crumble failed in this aspect. You must be able to raise or replicate more of you, your idea and legacy. Thank you, and God bless you.